So these are the simple things you need to check before you start thinking you need a whole new carb rebuild. So the first thing we're going to do is simply that you've got good gas in the tank. Nowadays, gasoline goes bad quite quickly. If you've got gas sat in here for more than a month or something, you know, it can affect the way your bike is running. So if you've got half a tank of gas or something that's been sat for a while, put in some fresh gas. If you look on here, you can come down here and see inside the filter, and you can see the color it's turned. You know, that's bad gas because this bike has been sat for some while. So put in some good gas. And also, if your bike, let's say you've got a little amount of gas, that can also cause you problems because there's not enough pressure for the bike to be running. So, full tank of good gas. Always start off with that. Okay, don't laugh when I cover this next subject. Make sure you have your gas turned on. Make sure you have gas in the gas tank, and also remember that you have a reserve gas tank in here. So you can look inside, it looks like you still have gas, but remember, unless you've got your reserve turned on, it's not going to go down to the carburetor. And you know you've done it, we've all done it, I've done it, got on the bike, taken off, broken down a block away, you think, oh my God, what's this? And it's simply you haven't turned the gas on. Now when it comes to your reserve, just remember that the reserve in these bikes is quite high. And I can tell you a crazy story about this. I know a guy who looked inside his gas tank, could see gas, but he was having problems with his carburetor. So he took it to a shop, they replaced most of his ignition system, thinking that was the problem. Gave up, they brought it up to us, we looked inside, and we could see there was some gas in there. We filled it up, the bike started right up. So it's simply because he thought that because there was gas in his tank, that there was another problem, but it was his reserve, and he hadn't turned his reserve gas on. So remember, gas on. The number one problem I find with carburetors not working is that you've got a bad gas filter. These go all the time, and you can see this bike has this nice kind of glass one. They're not the best, to tell you the truth. You know, the cheap ones you get from the gas station are the best. But obviously for looks you use these. But you know, these you can take apart and you can clean. But I can tell you, if you've got a problem with your carburetor, the second thing I would do after getting some good gas is to change the gas filter. Just buy a cheap one from the gas station, put it on, make sure you install it correctly, and that because with gas filters you've got an in and you've got an out. But this is so many times this is the problem, and you can even look at this and think, oh yeah, it's clean, I don't see any dirt. Well, don't assume anything. Take it to pieces, clean it, or put a new one in. The next thing is inside here you've got, obviously you've got your air cleaner. Take out your air cleaner. Virtually all air cleaners you can give a good clean, put it in some paraffin, give it a clean, dry it out with some compressed air, and then put it back in and give that a try and see how things work. So the next 2 points I'll do together. The first thing is, as I said before, gas is strong nowadays and it quickly rots and breaks rubber gas lines. And after a year, I'll start to find cracks in the oil in the gas line. And if you look in here, you can see this is all flaring out and starting to, the rubber is starting to separate from each other. So I would keep a good eye out on your gas hoses after about a year. And I mean, look at this gas. It's almost turning, it's melting the rubber in there. And the other thing to do is to take off the gas hose. I'm not going to do it, but you take off the gas hose, have it sat here, turn on your gas, and make sure you've got a good gas flow coming out of there. Make sure you've got gas coming into your carburetor.